Tie the Madi, we call it the traditional Madi, the Holy Cross on the boat, and they are tuning up to the festival now. All the music, the traditional songs will be showcased on the boat, the traditional boat which is decorated, and I really appreciate the efforts of all the boys over here who are here, and especially Kalfa, his sister, and the ward member and the village panchayat of Arpura Nagwa, and especially our youngsters who have kept this tradition alive. The elders have shown the way, and now the youth are taking it forward, and this is the way we celebrate Sanjao in Goa. Viva Sanjao!
Viva re Sanjao! Viva! Viva re Sanjao! Viva! Viva re Sanjao! Viva! Sanjao compangere viva! Sadi simtirina nagua! Viva re Sanjao! Viva! Viva re Sanjao! Viva! Viva re Sanjao! Viva!